Hormonal adjustments create disorder and havoc in our bodies. Hormones and health are so interrelated that if every little thing is good and well, we reside in a state of health, yet when it's not, we endure numerous side effects. The 4 signs of hormone imbalance you should not ignore are: 1. Stubborn belly fat. When your endocrine system is under pressure, there is an underproduction of certain hormonal agents as well as an overproduction of others. This makes your body store fat for future usage, making a rise in stubborn belly fat. 2. Persistent weight gain. Many women have underlying hormone imbalances that make it hard to maintain a healthy and balanced weight. Unaddressed insulin resistance is one of the most common reasons for weight gain. 3. Fatigue. It isn't really normal to feel slow-moving, scattered or emotionally clouded. Easy nutritional modifications, such as eliminating wheat and also most grains, will assist in maintaining your blood sugar and will alleviate fatigue. 4. Sweating. For several women, night sweats as well as hot flashes are the first uneasy indication that something is amiss. This isn't really the time to begin hormonal agent replacement treatment, but begin a food journal by writing just what you drink and eat, exactly how you feel literally, and any kind of emotions that come up after. So these are the 4 signs of hormone imbalance you should not ignore. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.